lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of June's Boxycharm Premium box. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got and then tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So yeah, as usual, I did go ahead and try on the makeup products on my face today off camera, just so I could tell you guys what my first impressions of the products are. So here is the card this month. I guess the theme is Express Yourself. So starting off with the first product that I see in here is actually a makeup tool, and it's by Shadow Moon, I think is the brand. Yeah, Shadow Moon. And this is a new brand to Boxycharm, and this is a reusable shadow shield. So I didn't actually use this today just because I don't plan on keeping it. It is a really cool product, I will say. It's made out of silicone, and I'm assuming you just use it to get those perfect shadow applications. So if you're wanting to do a wing look or something with your shadow, then I would assume you would use this. I think you can place it under your eye to catch fallout and stuff like that. So it is a really cool product, and I can't say I've ever seen a product like this before. I decided not to use it because I don't plan on keeping it, just because this is not something that I would use. I don't really care to have perfect eyeshadow looks, I guess. But if you're someone that does like to get that perfect eyeshadow look, you want to do a wing and stuff like that, then I think this would be a great tool to have. It also says on the back that it's also can be used as a soother, so to soothe your eyes. So you can put it in the refrigerator or freezer and then apply that under, hold it under your eye to kind of depuff your eyes if you have puffy eyes, or your eyes tend to get puffy, which I would assume is probably be good to have around allergy season. But anyways, this retails for $15. Alright, then the skincare product in the box, and surprisingly there is only one skincare product in this month's box, and I was pretty happy to see that, because I personally prefer more makeup than skincare. That's just my preference. But anyways, this is from, let's see, how do I say this brand? Chorus? I don't know. This is a grape Poreless skin cream, and this retails for $36. And I believe this is one of my choice items. I believe there was only one makeup option, and the other one was skincare. So I chose this one. So it comes in this pretty heavy glass green bottle. So it looks nice. I look forward to trying out this product someday. I have a butt ton of skincare, so this will probably be a while before I try this, but it is nice to have gotten in the box. The Poreless Skin Cream is what it's called. Let's see. So it's a lightweight gel moisturizer that blurs pores, controls shine, and hydrates skin all day. Cool. I wonder about the pore filling thing, because I don't like products that blur my pores. I mean, it looks nice, but I always get concerned if it's going to clog my pores, so I'll have to see. Hopefully it won't. Alright, and now the rest of the products in here is makeup. So first up is from Sandbar, and it is a Shadow Light Eyeshadow Primer. This retails for $28, and this is a new brand to Boxycharm. So, shiny box. Let me get the actual product out. So I did try this today, and I don't know, I'll have to play around with it. I didn't think of it at the time, but I should have done one side with the primer and the other side without. Then I would have been able to tell if it made a difference, but I didn't do that. I wasn't thinking. I just applied it to both eyes. So I can't say if this works or not. It didn't seem to I don't know, when I applied it, it seemed to go on pretty nicely. It's not super heavy, I would say, and I think it has, I don't know, it's just a white concealer kind of consistency, but not as thick as one. But I mean, it blended into my eyelid just fine, and the eyeshadow, when I applied it, it worked. So I don't know, I'll have to play around with this to say if it really works or not, but it seems like a nice product so far. I'll definitely continue to use it. I don't remember if I said, but this retails for $28, which I feel like is a little pricey for a primer, but I don't know. That's just my thought. Alright. Then my second choice item in the box, I chose this cream blush from Dominique Cosmetics. And this retails for $22. So here is the packaging. And I chose the shade. I don't remember if I chose the shade. I think I did. But it's in the shade Soft Pink. And it actually looks like pretty dark in the pan, but I applied it on my face. That is what is on my cheeks right now, and so far I like it, which is weird because I really didn't used to like cream products, and now it seems like a couple of them that I've gotten in Boxycharm and I've tried and I actually kind of like them. I will say I feel like it, I don't know, I'll have to keep playing around with this product because I'm not for sure if it was the product or something else, but when I was applying it, I don't know, I feel like on this side, I felt like my foundation looked a little broken up, but I may have not pressed my foundation good enough like on the side. I may have been a little lazy and not noticed that I missed a spot, so I'll have to keep playing around with it, but it did go on pretty well. Like on this side, it went on really well, so it may have just been something on this side. And I even tried to apply it on my nose, and I don't think that worked very well. So, yeah, but it is a really pretty color, though, and so far I like it. I'll just have to keep playing around with it and figuring it out. But yeah, so far I like it, which is weird, because like I said, I don't typically like cream blushes, but lately, the last two that I've gotten in my boxes lately, I've liked, so it's weird. But anyway, so there's that. And then we have another product here from Patrick Ta, which is, I'm really happy to see this brand in the box. But this as a mascara, and it's the Major Volume Mascara, and I got it in the shade Black. And I didn't try this product out today because I'm trying to use up the mascara that I have right now open, so I didn't use it up, but it does look like a nice, packaging wise, looks pretty nice. I'm not going to show the wand because I think that'll defeat the purpose if I open it. So yeah, so I'll have to let you know what I think of it when I actually get around to using it. But this retails for $29. It says this is a new brand to Boxycharm, so I wonder if this month is their first month to put Patrick Ta products in the box, because I know in my BoxyLuxe box, I got a Patrick Ta product in there too. So yeah, maybe it's just saying for this month, this is a new product to the box. Because I know I've gotten, like I said, a product in my last box, my BoxyLuxe box from this month. But yeah, I'm really excited to see this brand in here, and I hope they keep adding products like this in here. Alright, so last product in the box is from Lorac, and this is a Pro Palette Artist Edition, and this retails for $45, so it's a pretty big palette. And I did try this out today, so here is the actual packaging. And it does have a mirror, and then here is what the inside looks like. So it's a very neutral palette with a couple of pops of like purple in there, very light shades of purple, but it is a pretty nice looking palette. And like I said, I did use this on my face today. That's what I did my eyeshadow look with, and so far I really like the palette. The shades all work very well. The mattes were all pretty pigmented, blended out really well. And then the shimmer shades, I only used one shimmer shade, but it was really creamy and very pigmented. And that's what I have all over my lid. So yeah, I think this is a great neutral palette. So far, like I said, I'm enjoying it. I didn't get to use that many shades from it. I only used like this shade right here is like my transition shade. I used a little bit of this one as well to use as my, like, just blended it all over. And then I used this black here to kind of smoke it out. And then I used this gold shade right here as the shimmer shade. So yeah, there's a lot more shades I would like to use. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to having this one in my collection. Alright, so that's everything in the box, and I'm just going to go ahead and tally up the price of everything to let you guys know the overall value, and then after that I'll kind of do my final thoughts on everything to let you guys know whether or not I thought this month's box was worth it. Alrighty, so the overall value for this month's box was $175, which is not too bad considering I think I only paid $40 for this box. Alright, so final run through. I'm actually really pleased with everything that I got in this month's box. So starting off with the first product, yeah, I really think this is a really cool item to have gotten in the box. I know I'm just not going to use it, so that's why I'm not going to hold on to it. It's a great idea, and I do think it could be helpful. especially if you're like a beginner and you're wanting to be more precise, or even if you're just like a makeup artist and you're wanting to do, looks and you want to make sure you get those nice crisp lines. I think this would actually work really well for you. I just know, for me personally, I just know that this will probably just sit in my drawer and I'll never use it because I don't know, I'm lazy and I don't care to have like a perfect eyeshadow look. I don't care to get those crisp lines and those things. I don't know, that's just me. And so I don't want to hold on to it if I know I'm not going to use it. So moving on, I'm really happy that there was only one skincare product in the whole box. This is how I prefer it. I prefer way more makeup over skincare, and I am curious to try this out. I hope it doesn't clog my pores, but we will see. Hopefully it won't. And then as for the actual makeup products, I'm really happy with everything that I got. So the blush, surprisingly, it seems to work out. I will keep playing with it to see if it does break up my foundation or see if it was just kind of a goof moment on my part. But I will say the shade is definitely one that I like a lot. I'm excited to get mascara from Patrick Ta. That's always exciting. And then the primer I will definitely try to use. But again, this is one of those products that I don't know if I'll get a whole lot of use out of. I may end up going ahead and passing this on just because I know myself and it may just sit in the drawer. I don't know, I'll try, and if I don't use it, then I'll probably give it away. And it's nothing against the product, it's just, I don't know, it's the same thing with me for primers, like face primers. I haven't found one that I really like, and I haven't found one that I thought really did anything or made a difference. And that's kind of how I feel about eyeshadow primers. I don't really feel like they do much, but I'll keep playing around with it and I'll give it a shot. But like I said, I may end up passing it on eventually. And then the eyeshadow palette I do really like. I think it's pretty good quality so far. From the shades I've tried so far, they seem to be pretty good quality. I haven't actually tried a whole lot of Lorac products, like palettes and things, so I'm excited to have this in my collection. And I will say, though, that this palette is, although it's very much up my alley, I could see how some people may look at it and be like, that's really boring, there's no pops of colors kind of things, but this is just like a very basic neutral palette. Although these shades up here kind of look green to me. Maybe they don't on camera, but they do in person. So yeah, I think this month's box is definitely worth it for me. But yeah, that's going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help on my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box this month. Did you guys get Boxycharm Premium? And if you did, what did you think of your box? Let me know down below because I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!